Hello, this is the day 18 update for my Ultimate Reset journey, coming to you live from my kitchen tonight. Kids are watching TV. I hope it's not too loud and distracting. Just kind of wanted to quickly go over what I ate today, what tomorrow looks like, and kind of some thoughts as I'm rounding the finish line here. So today, as I told you yesterday, I was going to make some changes with the food, and I did the Shakeology for breakfast, and then I went and taught Size Live, and that went really well. My lunch was the fruit salad. I had a peach and a pear and some blueberries, and I did have a piece of bread. Then did the Power Greens, and then my snack was another half scoop of Shakeology, and then my dinner was the Greek salad with pine nuts and the miso soup, and I had some avocado with that as well, since I taught Size Live, and I feel like that went pretty well. Wasn't too hungry, so that's really good. I am craving something sweet right now, so I'm trying to drink my water, and then I'll have my Teachino in probably an hour. Tomorrow's plan is breakfast. I'll probably do the fresh fruit plate, and then my lunch will be hearty vegetable miso soup with the microgreen salad, toasted pumpkin seeds. Snack will be the Power Greens and Shakeology, and then my dinner I'm going to do the garlic veggies, sweet potato, and miso soup. So that's my plan for Sunday, which is day 19, and that means that I am almost done. I finish on Tuesday, and they really advise you to watch how you reintroduce foods to your system and kind of start back with week 1 and then do week 1 and see how your body feels and adjust, and week 2 and week 3 it might be 3, 2, 1, but I'm really tired of the week 3 food. And as I was thinking this through, I think that I ate well enough before. I didn't do dairy anyway, and that's one thing they want you to cut out. I think my biggest problem is probably going to be with the meat, and my plan for that is to have some regular hamburger like we normally buy. We don't buy grass-fed, and then I'm also going to have grass-fed in the event that I can't do the regular, which has probably been corn-fed. Try the plain first, see if I have any issues, how my body responds. If I have issues, I'll try the grass-fed. Same thing with chicken, probably. Other than that, I don't do a lot of meat. Turkey, I guess, can do the same thing. So that's kind of my plan with the meat. Like I said, I don't do a bunch of dairy. I already know that I'm intolerant to gluten and dairy, and I don't like soy. So I feel like I have a pretty good handle on what could trip me up. The other thing I think that could trip me up is the peanut butter. And I know from us having food intolerances and researching it that your body craves what it's intolerant to. So the fact that I'm craving peanut butter is probably a sign of an intolerance. And if that's the case, then I'm just going to need to switch to almond butter and it'll be fine. So will be interesting to see how that goes once I start again on Wednesday. But that's kind of my plan, is just to ease back in with what I would normally eat. I'll probably keep you posted more as I go on the journey, but that's where I'm at today. So thanks for watching, and we'll see how day 19 goes tomorrow.